Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In this video we'll be talking about snake plants, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. These plants are one of the easiest house plants to take care of. This succulent plant is very forgiving and perfect for beginners. Here's how to care for a snake plant in your home. Although they are very forgiving, Sansevieria plants prefer indirect but steady light with some direct sun. They can adapt to full sun conditions and will also survive quite dim situations. Sansevieria plants prefer a loose, well-drained potting mix. This plant will do well in sandier soils. One of the most common problems encountered with the snake plant and other succulents is overwatering. These plants do not tolerate soggy soil well. They tend to develop root rot, so do not water too frequently. Let the soil mostly dry out between waterings. To know when it's time to water, don't just rely on how the surface of the soil looks. Instead, carefully stick your finger or a wooden chopstick a couple inches into the soil. If you feel any moisture or see the soil stick to the chopstick, hold off on watering. During the winter, while the plant isn't actively growing, water less often than you would in spring and summer. It prefers warm conditions and will suffer if exposed to temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Set the plant in a place where it will be protected from drafts. A temperature range between 70 and 90 degrees is best. Sansevieria plants can be divided easily during repotting. Alternatively, the new shoots that emerge from the soil can be taken and potted independently. Cuttings can also be made, but it is much easier to rely on division. You can add vermicompost, cow dung, NPK with 15 days gap, and you can also give cow dung liquid fertilizer so that your plants grow healthy. A snake plant is moderately toxic to people and dogs and cats. If they ingest the plant, humans may suffer short-term symptoms including mouth pain and some nausea. In cats and dogs, ingestion can cause pain, vomiting, and diarrhea. The large flat leaves tend to collect dust, so wipe them down with a damp cloth as needed so they look healthy and fresh. Root rot due to overwatering is the most common issue, so you have to keep that in mind. If this occurs, remove any dying leaves and allow the plant to dry out more than usual. Snake plants are resilient and typically recover. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned something from it. I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.